Christmas morning moves fast. It's easy to get swept up in the gift giving and unwrapping of presents. And if you have kids, whipping up something simple and quick is key. So joining us today to walk through some easy, creative Christmas morning staples, and of course for the holidays, it's holistic nutritionist Jessie Lane Lee joining us this morning. Great to have you with us, Jessie.
Thank you. Thanks for having me back.
All right.
I love Christmas morning.
It is exciting.
It's so exciting. And last year we ate all of the goodies from the stockings,
Right.
and everybody was so hangry.
Right. You get that sugar rush for sure sometimes, but maybe in your household it tends to be a little healthier.
Not last year. Last year was a bad year, so that's why this year
Okay.
is about to be healthier.
Right. You were inspired by last Christmas morning to create maybe tasty and certainly a holiday feel to it, but maybe a little healthier with some added ingredients.
Exactly.
So take us through what we're going to do. We've got a smoothie that we're going to prepare, but you also have some treats for those with the sweet tooth that you're going to talk about as well.
So I brought a smoothie. Everything's inspired by eggnog. So we're going to do an eggnog smoothie.
Okay.
I bought eggnog oatmeal cookies. So good, they're gluten-free. And also an eggnog cinnamon bun.
Wow. Okay. So we've got a lot to get to. Let's start with this smoothie.
Yes.
What are you trying to accomplish with this, and what are we putting in?
Okay, so normally, again, in the morning it's hectic. We don't have time to cook. If you want to cook the cookies and the cinnamon buns, you make those in advance, but it's not happening on the 23rd. So with the smoothie, I've got any milk of choice. I'm going to use almond milk.
Okay.
And then for protein, I have pecans. Now, if you're making it for yourself, you can add a protein powder. For kids, they might notice it, so I just usually use
pecans. Okay.
Yeah. And then this is my secret ingredient.
All right. Yeah. So talk about that, because I do make a lot of smoothies. I've made a lot of them, but I can guarantee I've never put cauliflower.
Yes, we're putting cauliflower in.
That.
Steamed cauliflower in
Okay.
here. One of my rules is that you always need some sort of vegetable in your smoothie.
Right.
When you steam it, normally I would freeze it as well to make it nice and cold, but for TV,
today,
we're not doing
but
it.
you can steam it the night before, put it in the freezer, and then it will have that kind of icy feel to it.
Yeah, and it adds creaminess too,
exactly.
surprisingly.
Okay.
The only sweetness we're adding is banana today. So again, we're looking to make sure there's a lot of fiber. We've got that in the cauliflower, we've got that in the banana. That way we're not going to get those sugar spikes from all the Christmas candy. And then a little bit of vanilla to kind of make it like baking.
Okay.
Good. And of course some cinnamon.
Can't not put cinnamon, right?
You got it. But then the star is the nutmeg. I'm putting a lot in here because it's an eggnog smoothie.
Right.
We need a lot of it.
Okay.
And that's it. And then we just blend until smooth. So fast, simple, perfect for Christmas morning because we don't got time.
Okay.
And if we were making this at home, you probably would want to add ice or you could use frozen banana or frozen cauliflower.
Okay.
But for ease of blending today, we're having it warm.
And I'm looking forward to tasting this.
Yes.
Will I taste the cauliflower?
Will you? I know, I'm so curious. You tell me.
Give this a try.
Give it a little try. Here we go. Is the cauliflower there?
It's actually quite good. I
Yep.
taste the cinnamon, the nutmeg, not the cauliflower. So here we go.
It's hidden in there.
That's good.
Yay!
Very good. Yeah, and you're right. It's not super sweet, but it's got a bit of a holiday flair too, which is nice. Okay, so we have a couple of minutes left here. I just want to go through some of the other items that you've got. You had me at oatmeal eggnog cookie.
Oatmeal eggnog cookies.
Okay.
These are so fantastic. So they are totally gluten-free. I've made them with oats that are blended into a flour.
Okay.
So much fiber there.
Right.
It's really going to help counterbalance the sugar.
Okay.
But the sugar in here is coconut sugar. So a little bit of a lower glycemic index than regular sugar.
So that's what you would suggest as an alternative?
Yes.
Okay.
Love
All right.
coconut sugar in all my baking.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So those are the cookies. Then what do we have here?
Okay, so these are, I'm the most excited about. This is a recipe from my grade 7 home economics class that I've adapted for Christmas morning to make eggnog cinnamon buns.
Okay. And so what do you have in there?
So they're made with a spelt flour. This is a more nutrient-dense flour. It has a few more minerals. It's really like nutty. It has a really nice flavor to it.
Okay.
And then the inside, instead of just cinnamon, I've done the same, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, lots of nutmeg, a little bit of ginger, a little bit of cardamom, all those flavors there.
Okay, so we just have about 30 seconds. Just like we went through this really quickly, just like Christmas morning goes here. Tell the audience more about you've got a cookbook that you're setting up for Christmas, and how people can find out more about it.
Yeah, so if you want, you go to my website, jessielanewellness.com/Christmas. What
Okay, well that's a wonderful gift for the holidays.
Yes, that's great.
We
for
always
everyone.
love having you here, Jesse, when we appreciate it, and have a wonderful holiday.
Thank you.
All
You
right,
too.
well,
Happy holidays.
thank you very much. We'll have more Global News Morning coming right up after this break.